Hi, my name is Sandy Green. This is my intro video and relationship building module 1 for EDL 853. My personal background info: I am a veteran music teacher with over 25 years of teaching experience. Currently, I teach beginning and intermediate band and orchestra at 4 elementary schools in the Colorado Springs School District 11 schools. At the beginning of my career, I taught elementary through high school bands at Oakley and Kinsley, Kansas. Some of my hobbies include playing alto sax in jazz bands, hiking, and going to live performances and concerts. Demographics of my work environment: Colorado Springs is home of Pikes Peak, United States Air Force Academy, United States Olympic Committee, Peterson Air Force Base, and Fort Carson Military Base. Colorado Springs School District 11 has 60 schools, 28,000 students, and over 3,700 employees. Demographics of my work environment continued. 60% of students pre-K through 12 qualify for free and reduced priced meals. We have a diverse student body. We have gifted and talented, and special education is well funded. All elementary schools use the same reading curriculum, and we have a strong RTI process. One of the elementary schools I teach at is Grant Elementary in Colorado Springs School District 11. And how they facilitate learning strategies for special needs students. Special education classrooms are divided into specified centers. For example, speech pathology, ELL, gifted and talented, core subject intervention centers, etc. Each student's learning materials are set up according to their IEP goals and progress monitoring. Each school uses their own materials, as the intervention materials are site-based. Grant Elementary also uses SIPS, ORF, and TouchMap are a few of the curriculums used. Since each student has different learning needs, the school uses a variety of different curriculum materials to meet the individual needs. Strategies I use for students with special needs: I approach the different learning styles and needs by differentiating the music curriculum for students. For example, simplifying notes and rhythms for those students who may benefit, rewriting music parts for students, finding a music instrument that may best fit the student's needs if a change of instrument is needed. My proposed plan for Colorado Springs School District 11 is to create an intervention time during the school day. Group students according to skill levels, abilities, and learning needs instead of grade levels. Incorporate technology into the intervention program as supplemental aids, such as math apps and reading apps. Add classroom facilities for intervention needs. My proposed plan funding impact. My plan will involve some extra funding with regards to implementation of technology supplementation and facility additions. Resources can be provided by state and district funding, grants, and fundraisers. Thank you for watching my video, and I do believe that children are the priority, change is the reality, and collaboration is the strategy. Thank you. Have a good day.